When the battery is discharged, you can start the vehicle by connecting it to another vehicle's battery or an auxiliary battery with a jump cable. When the battery is discharged and a jump start is inside the vehicle in places such as the glove box, open the vehicle by removing the manual key from the back of the smart key. Open the hood of the car, check the battery location, and then use the jump cable to connect the identical poles of the jump start and vehicle battery. After connecting the jump cables, turn on the jump start and start the car. When the vehicle starts, disconnect the cable, then keep the engine running or drive for approximately 1 hour. When connecting the jump cables to the battery of another vehicle, first start the engine of the other vehicle, then open the engine hood of the vehicle with the discharged battery. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the normal vehicle, then the negative terminal of the normal vehicle to the negative terminal of the discharged vehicle, in that order. When you start a discharged vehicle and the engine starts, disconnect the jump cable in the order of the discharged vehicle's negative terminal, the normal vehicle's negative terminal, the discharged vehicle's positive terminal, and the normal vehicle's positive terminal.
Kia, movement that inspires.